Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, I did a thing. Yes, I know everybody's done it now, but I wanted to try it. I just kept seeing them and kept seeing them. And so yeah, we're gonna try the Macstack. And y'all, I got both of them. These are $28 each. I got mine from Ulta. They are supposed to be like completely stackable. You can just do layer after layer. And yeah, and when I first got them in, of course, I knew they were different. I knew I got the small brush and the large brush, the mini and the regular. But it says they're infinite build, volume, and length mascara. Superstack Mega Brush, our biggest brush for instant volume at the first swipe. Now the mini says infinite building, volume, and length. Superstack Micro Brush, our extra small brush for ultra precise controlled application. So yeah, yay for us. I'm nervous because if I don't like them, $28 a piece. Yeah, I'll use it. Oh my goodness. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on one eye and one on the other eye. We're going to stack them up. We're going to see what happens. Let's go try them on. Y'all, the packaging, I mean, you see how beautiful it is on camera, but when you hold it in your hands, it really does make you feel like you got a luxe product. Oh my goodness. So this is the Mega. Ooh, okay. There's the Mega Brush. I mean, you can see some product there. I did have to wipe the edge a little because I wanted to see the end of the brush. Let's try it on. So this is one coat. It didn't curl as much. Of course, I didn't curl. I didn't put any primer or anything on my eyes. I just wanted to see what it would do with itself. Let's go in for coat 2. All right, so we've got coat 2. Y'all, I feel like I'm at the wrong angle for this. Like y'all can't see just right. We'll try 3. Like they're getting spider leggy. They're kind of not separating anymore for the third coat. Yeah, they give you a pretty color. I definitely think they could be a little more curled. Yeah, it was still wet. But I do like it. I mean, do I love it as much as Bad Gal Bang? I'm not sure. Let's try the little one on the other side, put 3 coats on there and see what happens. Here is the Micro. Look how pretty. Oh, so pretty. But can we tell a difference? Yeah, it does say Micro on there, but if you were just reaching for them, they'd be identical on the vanity. It's just stuff I think about. Thought I'd share. All right. So here's the Micro Brush. Let's get a size comparison. All right, side by side comparison. Can we tell a difference? I mean, a little, but not as much as I thought there would be. Let's try it on. with that. I'm actually having to clean it up underneath because I got it everywhere. I was having trouble actually using it. Now keep in mind, I'm about as amateur gets. No, by no means an expert, but who better to figure out what's going on with it than somebody who doesn't know what they're doing, like most everybody else in the world. Let's do the top. Our coat one. Can y'all see what it's doing here? I didn't even think to do that. Let's go for coat two. Alright, so we have coat two, and again, I don't know if it's not bringing out the length or what it is, but I just don't know that I'm absolutely, is it just me? Y'all, have you tried these products? What did you think? Do you absolutely love them? Is it that it gives me more of that spider leg look that is bothering me instead of separation like I like? Maybe. Let's do a coat three and see what happens. I definitely felt like I got more stuff on me with the micro than I did the mega, which really surprises me. I thought it would be the other way around. Can we tell a difference in what it did with my lashes? I don't know. Y'all comment below. I want to hear everything. Let me know if you got it. Let me know if you love it or hate it. If we're just watching, you know, people who are trying to push the product, or if we're actually watching everyday people who are really going to tell you what they think. I want to know. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.